Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best makeup brush cleaners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Luxe Makeup Brush Cleaner. First of all, fill the clear bowl with warm water and your personal preference of natural soap baby shampoo, or the Luxe cleaning solution. By using the rubber adapter that best fits your size brush, and attach the brush to the brush spinner, dunk into the water, and spin on lowest setting until you see the water start to change color, or until you feel that your brush is clean enough for your standards. If needed, increase the speed of the spinner until you are satisfied. When you can use, remove the brush from the water, keeping it in the bowl and spin to dry. If you want to reshape the brush, keep it slightly damp and reshape with your fingers. You're all set. At number 6 we have Ricris Makeup Brush Cleaner. The Makeup Brush Cleaner is made of premium materials for long-lasting service, precision and safety. This electric makeup brush cleaner cleans your brushes to 99% for better performance applying makeup. This will make makeup application much faster and more pleasing. Don't be surprised if you have a little extra time for another cup of coffee before heading to work. It is a great electric makeup brush cleaner. The bowl is made of hygienic plastic and will not break if dropped. This is a easy-use automatic makeup brush cleaner and dryer. At number 5 we have DOTSOG Makeup Brush Cleaner. The electric cosmetic brush cleaner and dryer automatic makeup brushes cleaner quick dry machine. Through high-speed rotation can achieve fast deep cleaning and fast drying. This brush cleaner machine can effectively clean cosmetics, chemicals, and other things on makeup brushes which are harmful for your skin. Don't need to worry about skin issues anymore. Its fast drying function is helpful to keep your brushes soft, clean and durable. Also, it is easily clean and dry your brushes within seconds. It's achieved 99% cleanliness, that's keeping your skin happy and healthy daily. This electric makeup brush cleaner is elegant, top quality, low vibration design. At number 4 we have Selene Makeup Brush Cleaner. Its rotating makeup brush cleaner machine can clean and dry brushes daily. That's keeping your skin pimple free for each application of makeup. You can stop spending hours trying to manually clean each cosmetic brush only to damage them faster. Now effortlessly with the automatic makeup brush cleaner. This wash and dry brushes fast in just 30-40 seconds, even brushes covered in dark eyeshadow. This Selene professional makeup brush cleaner is a natural portable solution, and keeps your makeup station organized. At number 3 we have DOTSOG Makeup Brush Cleaner. The electric makeup brush cleaner will not damage your brushes. It built in a super powerful motor, 12,000 to 14,000 revolutions per minute high rotate speed. That's help clean and dry makeup brushes deeply and quickly. This brush cleaner kit is suitable for 99% makeup brushes in the market, which means you can clean many brush sets with this automatic brush cleaner. Its clean and dry automatic brush cleaner includes an ergonomic electric switch for easy intuitive operation. All parts of the kit are precision crafted for tight leak-proof fit. At number 2 we have Olivia Makeup Brush Cleaner. This Olivia Rose Makeup Brush Cleaner is the best, which achieves 99% cleanliness. That's prevent dirty and skin problem by removing dirt and oil on your brushes. You can use this automatic brush cleaner spinner to easily clean and dry. This makeup brushes deeply within seconds to ensure your brush is safe for your skin. This electronic makeup cleaner for brushes has 8 different colors to fit all sizes of makeup brush. That comes with a hygienic plastic washer bowl. Olivia Rose Makeup Brush Set Cleaner is made of premium waterproof material for long-lasting service, and is powered by 2 AAA batteries. At number 1 we have Wudangshan Makeup Brush Cleaner. This makeup brush cleaner machine efficiently helps to keep face clean, healthy, and young by removing cosmetic dirt, sebum oil and other impurities on your brushes. The makeup brush cleaning every 2 to 4 weeks is recommended by professionals and dermatologists. This makeup brush cleaner kit to assisting you beauty and ensure that your brush maintains its form. It's achieved 98% cleanliness, like getting a new makeup brush. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best makeup brush cleaners for your need.